The baobab tree is truly a sight to behold. It does not look like other trees we often see. Many people say it looks as if it was planted upside down. Its branches spread out like gnarled roots reaching for the sky. This unique appearance makes it stand out in any landscape. The baobab is famous around the world for this strange and wonderful shape. It captures the imagination of those who see it. This tree is a marvel of nature, a testament to adaptation. It has fascinated botanists and travelers for centuries. Its distinct silhouette is unforgettable once seen. One of the most amazing features of the baobab is its massive trunk. These trunks can grow to enormous sizes, sometimes many meters around. The bark is often smooth and can be grayish-brown or sometimes reddish. Inside this giant trunk, the tree stores incredible amounts of water. This ability is crucial for its survival in dry and arid climates where it commonly grows. It can store thousands of liters, helping it endure long periods without rain. This water storage makes it a living reservoir, a true survivor. This characteristic is essential for its long life. Baobab trees are also known for their incredible longevity. Some baobabs are believed to be hundreds, even thousands of years old. Imagine the history these ancient trees have witnessed. They stand as silent observers of changing times and passing generations. Resilience is legendary, surviving fires, droughts, and storms. Each wrinkle and scar on their bark tells a story of endurance. These trees are not just plants, they are living monuments. They connect us to a distant past, a living link to ancient ecosystems. They are symbols of strength and persistence. While most famous in Africa and Madagascar, baobabs are found in a few other places. One species is native to Australia, showing a wide, ancient distribution. The question then arises about their presence in other parts of the world, including Asia. How did this iconic tree, so strongly associated with African landscapes, find its way to other lands? The story of its journey is as fascinating as the tree itself. Understanding its distribution helps us understand past connections between continents. Its presence in places like the Philippines sparks curiosity about its voyage across vast oceans. The presence of baobab trees in the Philippines is quite intriguing. These trees are not native to our archipelago. Their natural homes are primarily in mainland Africa, the island of Madagascar, and Australia. So their appearance in the Philippines raises many questions for historians and botanists alike. How did these seeds or saplings cross the vast oceans to take root in our soil? It is a puzzle that hints at old connections and forgotten journeys. The few baobabs found here are like living artifacts telling a story of movement. Their journey is a subject of much speculation and interest. Several theories attempt to explain the baobab's arrival. One common idea is that early traders brought them. For centuries, maritime trade routes connected Southeast Asia with Africa and the Middle East. Arab traders, Chinese merchants, or even early European colonizers might have carried baobab seeds. Perhaps the seeds were brought for their useful properties or simply as botanical curiosities. It is possible they were transported intentionally, valued for their fruit or medicinal uses. The exact method remains unclear, adding to their mystique in the local context. These traders were known to introduce various plants. The historical context of global trade is important here. Long before Magellan, the Philippines was already part of a wider network of exchange. Goods, ideas, and even plants moved along these ancient pathways. The baobab could have been one such traveler, a passenger on a trading vessel. Perhaps a curious sailor or a knowledgeable merchant saw its value or unique beauty. The journey would have been long and arduous, but some plants are surprisingly resilient. The survival of a seed or a small plant across such distances is a testament to its hardiness. This makes human assistance the most likely explanation. It is important to note that baobabs are not widespread in the Philippines. They are found in specific locations, often as solitary mature trees. This limited distribution suggests they were not part of a large-scale natural dispersal event. Instead, it points to isolated introductions, perhaps even planted intentionally by individuals. Some old baobabs in the country are landmarks, their ages hinting at introductions a century or more ago. Each tree could have its own unique story of arrival, if only it could speak. Their rarity makes each one a special botanical treasure. With its unusual form, naturally sparks wonder. While specific widespread Philippine folklore directly about the baobab is not extensively documented, large, ancient trees often hold special meaning in our local cultures. Many indigenous communities revere old trees as abodes of spirits or anidos. These are often called balete trees. but the imposing baobab could easily inspire similar feelings of awe and respect. Its sheer size and age would make it a natural focal point for such beliefs. People might have seen it as a powerful, sentient being guarding the land. Imagine encountering a baobab for the first time in a Philippine landscape. Its upside-down appearance, so different from native trees, would surely have fueled stories. Perhaps local communities where baobabs grow have their own unique tales. These stories might speak of how the tree got its strange shape, or of spirits that reside within its massive trunk. Such narratives are often passed down orally, from generation to generation. The baobab's ability to store water and survive for centuries could also lead to tales of it being a tree of life or a symbol of endurance. These local stories enrich our understanding. In the absence of widespread specific myths, we can look at how Filipinos generally interact with remarkable natural elements. The baobab would undoubtedly be considered a significant landmark. Its presence might be woven into local histories, marking important events or boundaries. Children might have played under its shade, and elders might have gathered there to tell stories. Even without formal myths, its physical presence shapes local identity and memory. It becomes a silent character in the community's ongoing narrative. The tree itself becomes a story, a living piece of local heritage. The cultural impact of the baobab in the Philippines might be subtle but present. It represents a connection to faraway lands, a living reminder of ancient trade and travel. For those who know its origins, it's a piece of Africa or Madagascar thriving in Philippine soil. This can foster a sense of global connection. Moreover, its unique beauty can inspire artists, writers, and poets. Even if not central to national mythology, its distinctiveness makes it a subject of curiosity and admiration, contributing to the rich tapestry of Philippine natural, and by extension, cultural heritage. It provokes thought and wonder. Ecologically, large trees like the baobab play an important role, even if few in number. Their substantial canopies can provide shade, creating microclimates that benefit other plants and animals. The massive trunk and root system can help stabilize soil, preventing erosion. In their native lands, baobabs are keystone species, supporting entire ecosystems. While their numbers in the Philippines are too small for such a broad impact, each individual tree still contributes to local biodiversity. Birds might nest in their branches, and insects might find food or shelter. They are pockets of life in their immediate surroundings. Regarding traditional uses in the Philippines, direct evidence is limited due to their rarity. However, we can look at how baobabs are used elsewhere. In Africa, almost every part of the baobab is utilized. The fruit pulp, rich in vitamin C, is made into drinks or food. The seeds are pressed for oil, and the leaves are eaten as a vegetable or used to make traditional medicines. The bark provides strong fibers for ropes and cloth. It is possible that early introducers brought the tree with knowledge of these uses. Perhaps some localized, traditional knowledge about using parts of the Philippine baobabs still exists in communities where they grow. Beyond specific material uses, the baobab offers immense value as a living monument. The existing trees are often very old, silent witnesses to Philippine history. They are natural heritage items that deserve protection and appreciation. They can serve as educational tools, teaching about botany, geography, and even history. Their unique appearance makes them excellent subjects for promoting conservation awareness. Protecting these rare giants means preserving a unique part of our botanical landscape. They are also fantastic attractions, drawing people who appreciate nature's wonders. These trees are truly special. In summary, the baobab tree in the Philippines is a fascinating subject. Though not native, its presence tells a story of connection and travel across oceans. It may not feature prominently in widespread national folklore, but its striking appearance surely inspires awe and local stories. Ecologically, even few trees contribute, and their potential traditional uses known from other cultures hint at a lost or localized knowledge. The baobab stands as a unique living heritage, a rare gem in the Philippine natural world. Its continued existence enriches our islands, reminding us of the world's vastness and interconnectedness through these living ambassadors.